This is the clay pugger. When you come to the clay pugger, it might be covered, so you're going to undo everything. The reason we have this plastic on here is to keep everything moist inside, so it doesn't dry out. When you're done, you're going to do the same thing, just wrap it back up, squish the clay in, and then put a tie over the back side of it. This is the hopper where all the clay goes. Same thing, fold up a bag, put it inside here, close it off, and that should keep it moist for about a week to 2 weeks in between puggings. So when you're ready to go, you're gonna take that out. You're gonna turn on the electrical. And then you can take a bag of clay that we've dried already over there and start putting pieces in and pulling with, I don't know, would you say 5 pounds, 10 pounds of pressure?
Yeah, not too much.
Not too much. So then you're just gonna pull the handle and it's gonna start coming out. If the surface is a little like nasty looking, it's probably on the wet side, so this was something that was made earlier. If it's more like this smooth surface here, you're probably on track with how wet the clay should be when you start pugging. If it's too wet, just go ahead and put it back on the plaster and dry it again. And that's the basics of pugging. Just remember to put the plastics back on and such.